Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to upload TikTok video in high quality. So, to upload videos on TikTok with good quality, you need to do several things so that the video you upload does not decrease in quality. First, make sure you render the video at 1080p resolution. To perform the rendering process you can use any editing application, but in this video I will use the CapCut application. Because CapCut is a free video editing application with very many features. Okay, let's head to CapCut. In the CapCut startup screen, click Create New Project. Then enter the video that you want to upload to TikTok. You can make edits here if necessary, but because I only want to change the resolution to 1080p, then click on the 720p icon in the top right corner. Then change the resolution to 1080p, don't use 720p and 4K resolution because the results on TikTok will not be optimal. In the frame rate setting you can choose between 30 or 60. After the settings are complete, then click on the arrow in the upper right corner. Okay, you need to wait a while to finish the video rendering process. After the rendering process is complete, let's move to the TikTok application. In the initial screen of TikTok, click on the plus icon at the bottom. Click here to upload a video from your cell phone gallery. Select the video that you have prepared. Click Next. Then scroll down, make sure you turn on the Allow High Quality Uploads feature. The last step, click on the Post button. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions.